Let's go over how to manage your availability and time off. From the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to select Availability. From here, you're going to see a list view of all of the services that you offer, including the days and times that you offer those services. If you need to adjust dates and times that you're offering certain services, you can always edit that by selecting the pencil icon here and then changing that and saving changes. If you need to manage your time off as a whole, you can select Manage Time Off. When you select Manage Time Off, a side panel is going to slide in on the right-hand side. Click Create Exception. A calendar view will appear here. You can select a single day to block off availability for just one day, or you can select as many days as it applies to. Then you can either select Unavailable all day, or if it's only during certain times, you can select that here as well. This will show you as unavailable for all of those days during those times, or if you've selected all day for those specific dates, and folks will be unable to book with you during those dates and times. Once you've finished, you can select Create for Exceptions. If you want to add more, you can select the plus button and add more here, or if you would like to remove any, you can select the red trash can to remove that and select Delete Exception. That's it. Now you've adjusted your availability and your time off.